Begin by laying on your back on the floor with your arms extended out to the sides to form a T shape with your body, with your palms facing up. Lift your right leg off the ground, keeping it as straight as your mobility allows. Cross your right leg over your body towards the left side, aiming to touch the floor to the left side at hip level. Do your best to keep both hands on the ground during the movement to make sure the upper body doesn't get involved in the rotation. Once your right leg is as close to the ground as your mobility allows, hold the position for a moment. Slowly return your right leg to the starting position, moving with control and avoiding any sudden movements. Repeat the same movement with your left leg, lifting it and crossing it over your body towards the right side, aiming for hip level on the right. Continue alternating legs, performing the prescribed number of reps on each side. Supine scorpions are an excellent exercise for individuals looking to increase flexibility in their lower back and hips, reduce stiffness, and improve overall mobility. Regular practice can contribute to a more supple spine, relief from lower back pain, and improve range of motion, making it a valuable addition to any mobility or workout routine. As always, don't push past any pain and remember to brace.